6 plus 6 divided by 3 plus 2. First of all, it will give us 12 divided by 3 plus 2. Now the next step will be 12 divided by 3, and it will give us 4 plus 2. This will give 6 as answer, but 6 is not correct answer. It means we have to solve question again. Actually, we have to apply PEMDAS rule here: parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and finally subtraction. These are the rule in order. So first of all, we have to divide, because in this question we have division. So 6 will be as it is. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2, and plus 2 will be as it is. Now 6 plus 2 gives us 8 plus 2 as it is, which will give us 10, which is okay, and that will be our answer. Thank you.